terima kasih. Ini is top quality music. This album, when it drops, it's gonna drop a hole through the roof and through the bottom of the earth, bruh. That was the best music I've heard in a long time, bruh. Keep them coming, Kazi. The track, rocking, bruh. I'm feeling myself as een van die top tracks wat ek al gehoor het, man. As ek wat hou, man, jy is top 20 material, deur en deur, bro. Hou so aan. Hey, Kazi, keep it up, man. We love you, bro.
Hey, I'm touching souls ngalo music kwami most release. Mangivula isifuba ngiyanibonisa bro, I hope angikholesi. My public diary, I'm speaking what I'm facing in life. I'm getting positive feedbacks, people I don't know, yes. My mama raised me without his hammer ngikudlela. Life is hard so ngasitshena ukuthi kumele ngizimele. I'm getting older ngakhathala indlela kumele ngiqende. I-downfall ngishayile but namanje ngisapush. We J Weezy no BRB siphupho solfest. Destination angayireach silumculo ngikhokhela. Ifuzizwe ngathi ustakha uvuke ekseni uyophansi. Avoid ukubloma emakhoneni impilo ifuna onenkani. So I pray lama words amakhandela iplan. Hey.
Body man, ay. Spencer kufesa sharp, say. No music kwakho mfethu original mfethu. Uveza ukwena nje mfethu yabo. And sticka kuloko mfethu ube original. I enjoy am mfethu uqhubeke usharp music mfethu. Uyamotivate music wakho.
I might sound perfect, simply experience. Give umculo we happy, so I heal when I speak. Ngifisa ukubona abangani bami bekhuphuka kwi-life. Ngifisa ukubona besebenza bondla imndeni no lies. I don't wanna see my homies enze life get dice. Ukugembula is easy money, ngicela uhold your advice. Bro, you don't live twice, abanye sanibaphanta nge-heist. So isifiso sami ukuthi sonke sifight kule life. Better days asesondele ngifisa afike si-ready.
Music wakho dope kakhulu, dope kakhulu. Soldier, indlela okhuluma ngayo nge-OLED, ukhuluma ngezinto e-real. Qhubeka njalo i-project yakho, drop i-project ndoda. Umculo wakho uyasibusisa kakhulu, uyasibusilela usuku nosuku. But let us keep pushing. Size sifike kwi-destination. So siyabonga kakhulu uqhubeke nje nokusibusisa ku-music wakho. Impumelelo yakho. Behind you and not behind the project yakho. Sibonge.
I'm old enough to understand ukuthi impilo ifunani. Zonke izinto engiyifaceayo kulomhlaba sidingani. So I decide ukubhodla konke, this my public diary. Bro umculo akakhokhi out ngisondele emsami ngishisa impepho guqa idolo code D edlozi lami. Hey.